Over time, the battery health on your iPhone degrades. It starts at 100% and then it gets a little bit worse every month and every year. However, the battery health on your iPhone that your iPhone displays is not the actual real battery health. I'm going to walk you through steps to be able to find the actual battery life on your iPhone to be able to see maybe you need a battery replacement or not. Now, the first option is to tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, and then tap on Battery under Personal Hotspot, and then scroll down, tap on Battery Health, and you can see at the top Battery Health, in my case, it is normal, and max capacity 91%. However, again, this doesn't actually show you the real battery health or battery life of your iPhone battery. To be able to do that, we're going to hop into a web browser like Safari or Chrome and just type in iPhone battery shortcut. Again, iPhone battery shortcut into Google, and then go to payitforward.com. The nice thing is there's a shortcut in here that we can just download, makes it super easy. So we're going to scroll down and you can see it says click the link to download our battery shortcut. So just tap on download battery stats shortcut and it'll pop up with the battery stats within the shortcut app. So just tap on add shortcut. I already have this on mine, so I'm just going to hit replace. Now you're good to go with that shortcut because it's all pre-installed and Pay It Forward did a great job with that. The next thing we're going to do is tap on the Settings app again, and then tap the back arrow, tap the back arrow again, and from the main settings page, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. From here, scroll down again until you get to Analytics and Improvements and tap on Analytics and Improvements. And then tap on Analytics Data at the top. Now, if you have Analytics Data turned off, you won't be able to do this. Essentially, what we're going to do is use the analytics that are gathered every single day on your iPhone to determine the real battery health. So within the Analytics screen, you're going to find one that says Analytics, and then it has the date. And this should be the most recent date. In my case, May 25th, 2026. So I'll tap on that. You can see, of course, you can't read this and you don't need to. We're going to use the shortcut for that. Tap the share button at the top right, and then tap view more at the bottom. Here you'll be able to see that battery stats shortcut. Just tap on that and it will do all of the work for you. It says the max original capacity was 3,711 milliamps, and now it's 3,227. The cycle count and the real battery capacity or health is 86%, almost 87%. So you can see the real battery health and compare what the original battery capacity of your iPhone was compared to what it currently is. If you find that the battery capacity is under 80%, you might want to take it into Apple and have them replace the battery. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.